going on, YouTube? This is Medic Rob coming to you again with a review and install of the blacked out OEM style running boards that I installed on both of my 2019 F-150 STXs. Here's the packaging that it comes in. It's pretty sturdy. Boxes were a little bit beat up in transit, but overall the material was very, very well kept. A few scratches, little things here and there, but overall I'm very impressed with the product. There's the before picture of my wife's 2019 F-150. And then here's some brackets that it comes with, and all the washers, lock washers, and the nuts that it comes with. Then I'm showing you the socket size that I use, which is a 9/16 socket. This is just a little quick overview of one of the brackets that I installed and how I installed it. Yes, I used a hand crank tool because it's just what I had at the moment. I didn't have a power tool for it, so it's what I had to use, and it worked out pretty well. I mean, yeah, the process could have gone faster if I had a power tool, but you know what, it looks really good. So here I am just showing you how I put the flat washer on, lock washer, and then the nut. The bottom bolts right there, they had a little factory paint on them, and they were a little bit rougher to get on because the factory paint was kind of screwing with the threads. But after I got that going with the socket wrench, it was really, really easy to continue the process. So I'm going to show you coming up here. Again, I'm going to show you those little flat black pieces that go on the end of each step, just to show you what they look like, and then I'm going to show you how they look on the step. Little washer and nut that goes on a threaded bolt there, and it tightens up and it completes the end of the step. Right here I'm showing you the track system in order to secure your step to your vehicle, and this is adjustable until you put that bolt and the lock washer and flat washer on there. And then here's the view from the bottom of me trying to adjust the bracket itself to secure it to the brackets that connect to the truck. You can see it easily moves while you're getting ready to put the bolt, the lock washer, and the flat washer on there. So the bolt goes right through a threading that's already included in the bracket, and it threads fairly easy. And then one thing I noticed while I was doing this threading is of the bolt is if you leave it kind of loose, like you just thread them through like this, kind of hand tighten them a little bit, you can realign your steps so that it looks proper on your truck, so it's lined up with your front door and your back door of your crew cab. Very simple to do. Once I figured that out, it was super simple. Really just a little bit of a tug, and that's it. And you'll see me do it here in a second. I'm gonna tug on the bracket, I'm gonna tug on the step, and then the step's gonna move over. There it is right there. So I get it to where I think is the proper alignment, and then I will tighten it down with, if I'm not mistaken, a 1/2-inch socket wrench. I didn't show it in the picture and I can't really remember right now, but I'm pretty sure it's a 1/2-inch socket wrench. And you're going to see my face here in a second because I want to make sure the recording's still going, and it is. So I set it up again. Here I am. As you can see, you tighten down and then it just locks it in place. It doesn't slide anymore. You know, I've stepped on it, my wife stepped on it. It has zero slide to it. I mean, it just looks so sharp, so good, and I'm so impressed by this product and how much money I spent on it. I saved hundreds of dollars installing it myself and also purchasing it myself. Purchasing this at a dealership, I mean, you're talking upwards of $400 to $500 just for the steps themselves, and then you're not including labor costs of anywhere from $100 to $150 on the good side. So finished up tightening these and did it for 2 vehicles. That's why you see a color change. I have a gray or magnetic gray F-150 and a race red F-150, so that's why you see the change in the vehicle, because like I said, I did it to 2 vehicles. So coming up here, I'm going to be showing you a picture of the completed product and how it looks on the truck. And honestly, I think it looks amazing on the truck. It looks so good, so factory looking as well. It lines up well with the inner steps too, with the little plastic trim that's on there. It just looks amazing. So yeah, I mean, look at that. I mean, it just looks awesome. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you watching it. I hope you like, comment, and share this video. I'm going to be putting the links in the description so that y'all can purchase these on your own and save some money just like I did. I mean, hundreds of dollars saved, not even kidding when I say this. And I mean, I just really hope that y'all keep coming back for my 2019 F-150 STX mods that I'm going to be putting on each one of the trucks. I'm going to have a video for each one. I mean, I think this is such a cool truck, and I really enjoy working on it. And I just hope that y'all enjoy watching these videos too. So make sure y'all stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.